Well, I haven't been around doing any tea. I've been busy doing coding, doing some vibe coding, working on an app. But I wanted to share something that I got excited about because I am doing vibe coding. So I'm back to spill some tea on a great update for Lovable this week. So Lovable, if you're unaware, is a vibe coding tool, one of the fastest growing AI tools out there. What Lovable allows you to do is type or speak into a microphone with natural language to build beautiful websites, landing pages, funnels, whatever it is that you're doing. You can now create a beautifully designed user interface with all kinds of functionality. You could build quizzes, you could build surveys, you could build graphics and all kinds of fun things. So it's a very easy tool to use, but it looks beautiful, and that's a big thing for me. I love to make sure that we're good on branding and everything looks great for customers and users. And what Lovable did today is a huge step. So I do a lot of work with my clients on websites and lead generation, and they're always worried or wondering about how can I be better found in Google. SEO, been around for years. Everybody knows that that's kind of where you need to go. Google is the place where people were searching. That is shifting, and with things like ChatGPT and Claude and Perplexity, all of those large language models, people are now moving to those types of platforms to find things that they would normally find on Google. So best plumber near me, how to fix a leak. I was hit in a car wreck. I need an attorney. Can you recommend one in Austin? All of those kind of search terms are now moving. A lot of them are moving over to ChatGPT. And so while there is a whole game that comes along with being found in these large language models, and it's a hot market right now for people that are trying to figure this magic box out. It does rely a lot on how you built your SEO, but it's not exactly the same. It's kind of sort of the same, but not really. And so what Lovable has done is built the infrastructure already baked into their websites that people are building, that it recognizes and aligns with what ChatGPT and Claude and all these large language models are looking for you to be found. So what are the things that Lovable is doing within their websites that allow it to be found for large language models? Things like metadata, sitemap handling, AI readable structures, SEO reviews. So you heard me say that it's a lot to do with SEO. Those large language models are still using Google and Bing and those other traditional search engines as sources of truth. So you still have to keep that going. You still need to build up your reviews and get cited and do all of that. But now the large language models are looking at that, and Lovable is baking that into their website as well. Pre-rendering, heading organizations, so how you structure your website with titles and schema markup and all of that behind the scenes that you would normally have to have a very, very savvy developer redo your website, or if you're building a new one, make sure that they understand how to build it for AEO and being able to be found by ChatGPT. Lovable's doing that for you, and it's really, really inexpensive. It's like 20 bucks a month to go in and build these beautiful websites. So if you're not familiar, go in, spend an hour or two learning about Lovable, and if you need a new website, right now, this is where I'm telling you to go, is to Lovable, and help you get structured for what the future is when it comes to search.